So you wanna see your saved passwords or passkeys on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone? So here's how to check them in seconds. So first, from your home screen, if you can't find the password app, just swipe to the app library and search for password. Once you see it, just open the app and enter your lock screen passcode. And here you will see all your saved login details from the different apps and websites. You can scroll through all the saved password or search for a specific one. For example, if you want your Instagram password or iCloud password, just type your Instagram or iCloud in the search bar and now tap on it, and here the password option. Just tap on it from here. You can also copy your password from here easily. That's it. And that's how you can see your saved password on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.